do you not know that the saints will judge the world? And if the world will be judged by you, are you unworthy to judge the smallest matters? That's our future. Revelation chapter 20, verse 4. It says, I saw thrones, and they sat on them, and judgment was committed to them. Well, who is the them that they're talking about? Well, that them is us, converted Christians who have now been changed to spirit beings. And what are they doing? They have been given judgment. Judgment has been committed to them. So the implication is, don't you think you ought to be doing righteous judgment now? I mean, how is God ever going to entrust us with judging, in this sense, on His behalf, right? Because that's what we'll be doing. We'll be judging the world on His behalf. How can we be trusted to do what's right if we can't even handle the conflicts among us now?